Go get your Baba.
You're doing good.
Probably dirty over there, Robert.
It's fine.
He's
A
fine.
little dirt never hurt anybody.
You should see him on the wood floor. He's like a fish out of water. He just flaps. He doesn't care about his bottle. He likes the fringe.
He found a fringe.
You know, used to you put him on his stomach and he didn't like it.
Mm-hmm.
Hey man, where you going? Are you coming over here? Come on.
See, I learned how to turn. So y'all see where I am? I'm grabbing it out of the thing. Don't put it in your mouth.
You like all the patterns.
Oh, you can push off that chair now. Oh, you didn't push.
Or you can clunk your head on it.
Oh, where you
This
go?
little,
Now,
look
see
at that little.
Oh, you're
Finding.
doing good. Just be careful, don't put your head on that.
Look, he wants to pull out.
Oh, this is
Mother
gonna be,
asked me.
Look
this
at
is
him,
gonna be
look.
interesting. Look at this.
Look at this.
Wait, Robert. Push up.
Not quite strong enough yet. Yeah.
He's like, can I have some help here?
We're watching you read.
He's trying to figure it out.
Look.
Trying to figure it out.
Okay, it's
See,
time to
y'all
move
don't know,
on.
I'm close and almost able to do this.
Why can't I reach it with that arm but not the other one?
Because he's left-handed.
Ooh. Look how strong. Ooh.
You're fine, Reed.
Yes, you did. We saw you